So let's look into the filter function. So I have here an array of numbers. Let me just, okay. I have here an array of numbers 1 to 10. So the filter functions, you give it a callback function which should return a true or false. So based on this value, true or false, it will filter the array. So here what I am saying here, that for each element, if it's bigger than 5, I want this element. If it's not, just discard it. So res should be, based on the description I gave you, from 6 to 10. I think you saw it, but yeah, from 6 to 10. So how we can implement this on our own? So as usual, we'll add it. If you watch the other videos, dot filter, it exists, but I will add z, so it's another one. So it will have it's a function. It will have a callback function as an argument to it. This one is this thing here. By the way, if you wonder why I'm using the function keyword, because this keyword does not bind in the arrow function. It uses the upper this. It uses the this. That it uses, to be exact, it uses the this binding from the outer scope. So, but no, what I need here, I need I need this to reference the array that called the function. So here, this here references the nums array. If I called nums.filter with z, okay. I hope this is clear. I'm sorry if it's a little bit confusing, but so whatever. So for each element in the array, we call this function from. What we will do, so I will just add a small if statement. So if the return value of the function after we pass it to the element is it true, this means we need this element. How to do that? How to add a way that that says, hey, we need this element. I will store them inside an array and then return it. So call it result. So if this is true, result.push element, and then just return result. I will just make this all one line. This is docs at least good. Okay, so if I use the filters with z function here, it should just return the same thing. So yes, nothing changed. Actually, this of course it will work on any value you gave it here. The thing is, this function here just loops for you. All these functions, I'm pretty sure if you look into the implementation for them, they most likely just loops for you and have some logic here, like the reduce function. It allows you to save the state from the previous iteration, but at the end, the logic is all the logic inside the callback function you passed. But of course, the real implementation for these are much more complex. They need to handle a lot of cases, of course. I think if you looked into the polyfill section inside the MDN documentation for each function, you will have a pretty much good idea what they are dealing with. So here it's just for us to, or at least for me, just to understand it better. So let's try it on an array of objects. Of course it will work, but just let's try it. So I have here an array of objects. Each object contains a name and another property called money. So ex, the name of the array, dot filters. So I want the person who have the name of Ruwad, which is my name. You can type. So object dot name. So yeah, so result is the object that has the name of Ruwad. So another good way we can write this function is to destruct So destruct the value name, destruct each name from each object. Yeah, it's shorter. People will hate you when you write code like this. Anyway, I think you got the idea. Maybe I want the people who are not true word. Here they are. So the length for this, I think if I stored it, yeah. So 4. These are 5s. These are 5, and this is 1 row 1. This 4. Okay. Anyway, that's it.